Hello happy family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this awesome snacks aka pop puff or Bofrot recipe. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's start cooking. Alright, so to get started you're gonna need a clean bowl, and I have warm water, and this is about 2 cups. Go ahead and add it in there. Alright friends, so next I'm gonna add my yeast. I really love instant yeast. It works really well when you make Bofrot recipe. So I'm gonna recommend that you guys use instant yeast, okay? Unless you cannot find it. So I have here agave syrup. I'm using that to replace sugar, but if you prefer sugar, you can add about a half cup, okay? Just go ahead and add your sweetener. And next I have here my nutmeg, and I have here just a half teaspoon of salt. Next you're gonna add vanilla extract, and this is about 1 teaspoon. So after you combine all your dry ingredients, go ahead and stir them together. Make sure that you stir that really well. And of course I have here all-purpose flour, or you can add bled flour if that's what you have. This is about 4 cups. Just go ahead and add that as well. After you're done adding your flour, you can just go ahead and mix them together, okay? Make sure that it is not too dry or too loose. That's the secret of making that puff puff recipe. It has to be a medium, size when it comes to the consistency. You don't want it to be too watery. So after you're done, you're gonna see that it's gonna look so stretchy. That's how you like it, like very thick and sticky. That's how you like your dough to be. So let's go ahead and clean wherever you want to clean up, and then cover it. Okay, yeah, this puff recipe is gonna be really amazing, friends. If this is your first time trying this, yes, you're gonna be really amazed. Cover and then have it set for about an hour. Everything looks really nice. So after an hour, this is how it's gonna look like. Of course, it's not doubled in size. Look at that perfection right there. That is what you need, friends. All right, so go ahead and load it up and then get it ready. I get really excited whenever I made puff-puff recipe, because it serves us really well, especially when we are on the road, kids school. This is like the perfect snacks for them. And also you can serve it as breakfast as well, okay? So after we're done stirring them up, I have my oil already on the stove. So if you are wondering the kind of oil that I have here, this is sunflower oil. I really love sunflower oil. It's perfect for frying foods, you know what I mean? And it's really nice. I love sunflower oil. Unless you cannot find that, you can use any oil of your choice, okay? All right, so at this point we're just gonna leave it on to fry it until it is nice goldish. That's what you want to look like, a golden brown. Yes, that's how you want to puff puff. So you can tell the consistency is really nice. Everything looks so good, and it's almost done. All right friends, as you can tell, it is done. So at this point you can just take them out because you don't really want to burn them. This looks so yummy, friends. I really love it. I'm just gonna get my porridge ready, and I'm gonna serve that with it. So this is how I make my easy peasy puff puff recipe. No need to buy it, okay friends? You can just make it at home. It is so easy, and I hope you truly enjoy this amazing recipe. All right friends, let me know if you have any additional comments. Leave it in the comment section. And also, if you truly enjoy this recipe, make sure that you share for us. I really enjoyed it. So until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.